Morning sir, my name is McHenry B. Magallanes from J2C. Ako day discuss ang intact buoyancy and how ship stability will be affected when it is breached. Ships are designed to float and remain stable in water due to a concept called buoyancy. For a ship to perform safely and effectively, it must maintain intact buoyancy. Ang mga barko daw ay idisenyo para lumutang at manatiling matatag sa tubig dahil sa konsepto ng buoyancy o paglutang-lutang para maging ligtas at maayos ang paglalayag ng barko. Kailangan nitong mapanatili ang tinatawag na intact buoyancy o buo at hindi nasisirang kakayahan nitong lumutang. Kapag may sira o butas ang katawan ng barko at pumasok ang tubig, maapektuhan ang buoyancy nito at maaaring mawala ang balanse ng barko na posibleng magdulot ng malalang panganib. What is intact buoyancy? Intact buoyancy refers to the condition when all watertight parts of a ship such as the hull and compartments are undamaged and free from water entry. It ensures that the ship remains afloat and stable by keeping enough of the ship above water to support its weight. Ang intact buoyancy daw sir kay tumutukoy sa kalagayan kung saan lahat ng bahagi ng barko na hindi dapat pasukin ng tubig tulad ng katawan at mga kompartimento ay buo at walang sira. Dahil dito nananatiling lumulutang at matatag ang barko dahil sapat na parte ng barko na nasa ibabaw ng tubig para suportahan ang bigat nito. Role of intact buoyancy in ship stability. Ship stability depends on the balance between weight and buoyant force. Intact buoyancy helps maintain this balance by preventing water from entering the ship, allowing it to stay level and upright even in rough seas. Ang stability o katatagan ng barko ay nakadepende sa balanse ng bigat ng barko at ang buoyant force o force na nagtutulak pataas. Tinutulungan ng intact buoyancy na mapanatiling balanse na ito sa pamamagitan ng pagpigil at sa pagpasok ng tubig sa barko. Kaya nananatili itong pantay at hindi natutumba kahit malakas ang alon sa karagatan. What happens when intact buoyancy is breached? When intact buoyancy is breached, such as during a collision, grounding, or structural failure, water enters the compartments. Kapag nasira daw ang intact buoyancy tulad ng sa banggaan, pagkasadsad o pagkasira na parte ng barko, pumapasok ang tubig sa mga kompartimento ng barko. Example, loss of buoyancy. Water entering the ship increases its weight, reducing its ability to float. Least and trim. The ship may tilt to one side or lower at the front and back, making it unstable. Reduced stability. The center of gravity shifts, increasing the risk of capsizing. Progressive flooding. One breach can lead to others, worsening the situation. Risk of sinking. If not controlled quickly, the ship may sink. Intact buoyancy is a fundamental part of a ship's safety and performance. When it is breached, the ship's stability is severely affected and the risk of capsizing or sinking increases. For this reason, ship design includes safety features like watertight bulkheads, bilge pumps, and emergency protocols to manage such situations. Maura dito sir. Thank you.